want to download your photos and videos from iCloud to your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any iPhone with the latest iOS, here's how you can view all your iCloud photos and transfer them to your iPhone either one by one or download everything with a single click. You may have a lot of photos on your iCloud. If you don't want to download every photos and videos from your iCloud and clog up your iPhone storage, then this step is for you. Just open Safari and go to iCloud.com. Then carefully sign in with the correct iCloud account. Now here scroll down a bit, and here will be all your photos and videos that you have synced to your iCloud. You can also go ahead and sort them by date. Now to download your specific photos, just tap on Select, choose the ones that you want to move to your iPhone storage, tap on this 3 dots menu, and you can either choose Download 9 items, and I recommend you to tap on More Download Options, which will allow you to download the uncompressed and originals by selecting Unmodified. Or you can also choose in which format you want to download the photos. So we're gonna go with the highest resolution and keep the originals to the iCloud to save storage. Tap on Download, and then you need to go to Downloads, and if you open the downloads, you can see you will get a zip folder. So you just need to select it and extract it by selecting Uncompress. After extracting, you can go ahead and select all, tap on the Share button, and choose Save Image. Now they will appear back on the Photo app. Now what if you want to download every single photos and videos you have on your iCloud? For this, you'll need to open Settings, tap on your account, go to iCloud, tap on See All on Save to iCloud, go to iCloud Photos, and simply turn on Sync this iPhone. And now you can see every photos and videos you have on your iCloud will start downloading on your iPhone, and they will show up straight in your Photos app. So that's how you can move your photos from iCloud to your iPhone. Hope this helped, and stay tuned for more.